Hello, ça capte tout le monde. Anyway, c'est Vevoo qui vient avec une petite vidéo pour vous.
Until the whole process is done. So now you can see our paste is full of oil. So I'll add in a little more water. Now that the oil has started releasing itself, I just keep on kneading. At this point I'll not add in any water. I'll just knead until all the oil comes out from the paste. Now when the oil is fully formed, you go ahead and make a hole in the middle so that the oil collects in the middle for easy scooping. We've made ourselves perfect peanut oil, so I'll go ahead and scoop it off. And just like that, you can turn your homegrown peanut into oil. Right here is the amount of oil we've been able to drain from our peanut paste. We place it on fire and then add water and let it cook as a way of preserving it so that it can stay for a much long time. We let the oil boil until all the water drains out and we are good to go. Well, now that our oil is ready, using a sieve and a cheesecloth, I'll go ahead and strain it again.